Good morning, grade fours. So today in math, we are continuing on with our t-tables. Yes, yesterday there were two different mistakes in my video. One that I caught and then one that Silka caught at the end. Good job. I added 3 to 19 and got 21. Boy, my brain is not working well today. Anyways, I'm on my coffee. So hopefully today I won't make so many silly mistakes. Okay, today we are continuing on with t-tables. So today we're talking about, this is your sheets for today. You are going to do both sides. There's not many questions. That's 5 questions. It's just continuing on a pattern here and then figuring out the number of line segments in each pattern. So the first thing we need to do is, what is a line segment? So a lot of people are like, oh, I don't know what it is. A line segment is a piece of a line that has a definite start and end. So for this one, how many little lines do I need to make this figure? And the easiest way to figure out line segments is to count them. And as you count them, cross them off. So this one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 line segments in that figure. If you have it sharing a line with some other shape, you only count it as one because it's only one piece of line. So this figure has 7 line segments. So for your work, you're given a pattern, an increasing pattern again, one that's doing with attributes, this time shapes. So for the first one, we had 1 square and then 2 squares. And then we can figure out our next one. Our next figure is going to have 3 squares not touching each other. It's very important. Some of them are going to be touching each other. And then remember, you count the line segment where they're touching as one line. But these ones are apart. So I have my figures here, my figure numbers. Let's be 1, 2, 3. So my figure number 1, 2, 3. In 1, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 line segments. 2, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 line segments. 3, I'm going to have 12 line segments. So that is what you are doing. And then it asks, well, how many would number 5 have? Well, I know that 4 is going to have 4 more. That's 16. Make sure my math is right. 12 plus 4. Okay, got that right today. Number 5 would have 20. So you would say the 5th figure would have 20 line segments in it. That is what we're doing. The big question usually with this work here is just, what is a line segment and how do I count them? So if I had a figure like this, I'm just going to take one from the second page-ish. So if I had, my first figure is a triangle, and then, oh, that's a bad triangle. Let's try this again. My first figure is a triangle, that's better. And my second one goes like this. So it's the 2 triangles together. My third one goes like this. Then I can continue on, and I'm just adding on triangles to count the line segments. So figure 1, 2, 3. My t-table, I'm just going to do an F for figure and then an L for line segments because I'm lazy this morning. So for figure 1, I have 1, 2, 3 line segments. For figure 2, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line segments. Remember, they share this line segment here, but you only count it once. Don't count it more than once. So today on your sheets, you have, like I said, 5 questions. Continue on the pattern here. Draw it out. They give you nice little dots to make it nice and easy to draw the lines. Fill out the T-chart and then figure out how many are in the figure number they said, figure 5. Here you're just counting up the line segments. Big thing, if they're sharing a line segment, count it as one. All right, hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Keep up the great work, guys.